guys, welcome back. This time we have for you an awesome playset from Mega Bloks and the new SpongeBob movie, Sponge Out of Water. This is the Burgermobile Showdown, ages 5 years and upwards, and it does come with 258 pieces. Here is our SpongeBob figure, very muscly SpongeBob. Again, I love those eyes, how they stick out. Very cool. Here is Mr. Krabs, or a robotic looking Mr. Krabs. Does have thrusters to power him through the air. He has a bottle in his hand as well. A very robotic looking mouth as well there. The side of the Burgermobile does open up, so you can serve some Krabby Patties or beard burgers from the side. We do get 2 beard burgers included. And to shut the side of the vehicle up, this bottom piece will go in and the top piece will come down and it will seal the whole vehicle. We do get some very cool looking cannons on the front. They don't move or shoot anything, but still they do look very cool. The Burgermobile does come with a fabric sail as well, with Home of the Beard Burger printed on the front. On the inside we do have a grill there with a temperature knob as well. There's also a place to stand to steer the Burgermobile, and you can put your figure just in front of the steering wheel. It also comes with a plank, so you can actually walk the plank if you want to with one of your figures, and it does come with what looks to be ice cream pieces, and they are pink and orange. You can actually flick pieces off this if you want to, but it's very difficult to do so it's best just to use as a walk the plank. We do also get a Seesaw style firing weapon. All you need to do is put your clear blocks on that piece there and then push down to fire your blocks at the Burgermobile.
Oops! I guess I ripped my pants again!
So there it is, guys, the Burgermobile Showdown. Very cool set, love the figures that come with this. The set itself is a little small, but it is still very cool. Not sure about the walk the plank thing though, guys. That is very delicate and doesn't really work as a flipper as it shows in the instructions. Well, thanks for watching this video, and do check back next time for more videos just like this.